Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PayPal payout history for e-commerce reconciliation, full guide step by step clearly. To download your PayPal payout history, first, log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity tab located in the top menu. In the Activity section, look for the Statements option on the right side of the page. Click on Statements to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Custom to create a tailored report. You will now be prompted to set the date range for your payout history. Choose the start and end dates that cover the period you want to reconcile. Next, select the transaction types you wish to include in your report. You may want to check payments received and payments sent for a comprehensive overview. After setting your preferences, click on Create Report. Wait a moment while PayPal generates your custom statement. Once the report is ready, you will see it displayed on the screen. Look for the Download button, which is typically found near the report. Click on Download to initiate the download process. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or PDF, based on your needs. Confirm your selection and the file will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your chosen download folder. Open the file in a spreadsheet application or PDF viewer for review. Now, you can use this information for your e-commerce reconciliation process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.